2024 Lamborghini Urus price, review, release date and exterior. As of now, it is difficult to predict the exact price of the 2024 Lamborghini Urus as it has not been officially announced by the company. However, based on current market trends and the prices of previous models, we can expect the starting price to be around $225,000. Of course, this is just an estimate and the actual price could vary depending on several factors such as customization options and location. Stay tuned for more updates from Lamborghini. If you're looking for an upcoming 2024 Lamborghini Urus, price, review, release date and exterior, you've come to the right place. We'll discuss its price, release date, interior, and exterior. And we'll also cover what you can expect from this supercar. So, without further ado, let's begin. Firstly, let's get a brief overview of the 2024 Lamborghini Urus. The Urus is a plug-in hybrid supercar that has yet to make its global debut. It may debut in India sometime in 2024, replacing the Huracan and Aventador. In India, Lamborghini will sell both models, including the Urus. A two-door Urus would be a natural fit for the company's new hybrid lineup. The 2024 Lamborghini Urus is lighter, faster, and more fuel-efficient than its predecessors. The Urus performance is fun on the road and the track, thanks to a center-locking differential. It delivers up to 70% of power to the front wheels and 87% to the rear axle. A powerful 641 horsepower twin-turbo V8 provides plenty of power, but the Urus is also highly maneuverable off-road. Its center-locking differential, along with an electromechanical active roll stabilization system, gives it serious off-road handling chops. Brands: Lamborghini. Model: 2024 Lamborghini Urus. Price: USA, starting MSRP, $229,495. Engine: 4.0 LFSI twin-turbo V8. Interior: a cabin that's classic Lambo with jet fighter design cues abound and also comfortable. Car features: a 657 HP twin-turbocharged 2024 Lamborghini Urus price. The price of the new Lamborghini Urus is expected to be close to $229,495, making it very difficult for most consumers to justify purchasing the super SUV. While it may be an SUV, it handles more like a sports car. The Urus is a technical marvel that defies the laws of physics. It accelerates from 0 to ton in a matter of seconds, reaching its electronically limited top speed in no time at all. The 2024 Lamborghini Urus performance is also unparalleled, with an outrageous amount of thrust available. The updated 2024 Urus will be lighter and more powerful than the outgoing model, which weighed more than 2.5 tons. By 2024, the Urus Evo will be offered as a hybrid as well as an all-electric version. The Urus is one of Lamborghini's top-selling cars in the last 3 years, and the electrification of the vehicle will keep it ahead of the curve in the coming years. Going all-electric will also make it more appealing to a wider range of buyers. 2024 Lamborghini Urus release date. The Lamborghini Urus is one of the hot items in the automotive industry since it was launched 3 years ago. Now, the car maker is planning to update the model to an all-electric model. Lamborghini CEO Stefan Winkelmann revealed this in an interview with Autocar. Although he didn't specify whether the electric version of the Urus will overlap with the hybrid model, the company has previously stated that it is working on the development of its first all-electric car shortly. The 2024 Lamborghini Urus is updated with more features than before. The next Urus Evo will get carbon fiber body panels. The new model will feature a twin-turbocharged V8 engine. By 2024, the Urus will have hybrid powertrains. Lamborghini will stop producing gas-only models after that year. The company has also promised to make its first electric car, and that will probably be a Gran Tourer. 2024 Lamborghini Urus interior and exterior. The 2024 Lamborghini Urus may hit the market sometime in the second half of this year. This performance SUV is likely to come in one level of specification and will include a fully electric powertrain. It rides on VW's MLB Evo architecture, which underpins such vehicles as the Porsche Cayenne and Audi Q8. However, the 2024 Lamborghini Urus has taken it to new heights. A development model of the Urus is wearing camouflage to hide the car. It features a much simpler front end and ditches the horizontal Y-shaped elements. The front end also gains vertical inlets and rectangular fog lights, likely for testing near the Arctic Circle, but probably not for production. It also has a new hood with angled vents on each side. The bumper has been reshaped, and the tail lights have been restyled. The interior of the Lamborghini Urus has been upgraded to a high level of quality. The car's interior and exterior look is stunning, and it feels more than capable of achieving the dream of owning one of the fastest vehicles in the world. It also has a range of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and more. Whether you're looking to purchase a new Lamborghini or are planning to upgrade your current model, the 2024 Lamborghini Urus interior and exterior are the best place to start.